So hello everyone, today we are at Tech Ideas Vashi Plaza, Vashi, Navi Mumbai. Today we are going to see different prices and availability of Intel and Ryzen processors with Bhaiya.
Welcome to Tech Ideas. i3 10 6500 rupees. i3 12 10,500 rupees. i5 11 12,200 rupees. i5 10 12,500 rupees. i5 12 13,500 rupees. i5 13 21,500 rupees. i7 10 19,500 rupees. Ryzen 3 3000 series 7,000 rupees. Ryzen 5 4000 series 9,800 rupees. Ryzen 7 5000 series 18,000 rupees. Ryzen 5 5000 series 15,500 rupees. Ryzen 5 7000 series 21,000 rupees. Ryzen 7 5000 series 22,000 rupees.
What about discount Bhaiya? Is there any discount?
Festival offer on all gaming PC builds.
Okay, thank you Bhaiya. So please contact Tech Ideas for best gaming PC builds with good discount. Thank you everyone.